Challenge students and help them develop mechatronic engineering skills with the Arduino Engineering Kit Rev 2. This kit provides extensive educational competences, giving students a strong understanding of robotics engineering concepts through exciting projects that create an outcome-driven learning environment. Build and program different types of artifacts. Calibrate a robot that can duplicate any drawing it is given on a whiteboard. Design a control system to keep a motorcycle upright using a flywheel for balance. Or build a rover that can navigate using a camera to locate its position and move objects with a forklift mechanism. Ideal for advanced high school and college students, the projects cover fundamental concepts such as mechatronics, model-based design, control systems, image processing, robotics, signal processing, MATLAB and Simulink programming, and more. Plus, they are fun to do. The kit consists of all the physical components you need to build 3 projects, including learning materials and software. There is online step-by-step guidance which make it ideal for students working in small groups or for facilitating remote learning. This kit also comes with a 1-year individual free trial license for MATLAB and Simulink, providing students with hands-on experience in system modeling and embedded algorithm development. You can use this versatile kit as a core module of a new engineering mechatronics class. For example, as part of laboratories and final projects, or freely adapt the content to your own ideas and experiments while teaching your students how to use MATLAB and Simulink. For more information, visit our website or find your local distributor. Get yours now!